Welcome to Blogfiti, blogging simplified. Find this and other great blogging tips at blogfiti.com. Hi friends, it's Kelly with blogfiti.com. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show you a quick trick for checking your word count in WordPress. It is super easy to do. Right now I am in my ideal blog post length edit screen. So this is a blog post of mine that is live, and I just went to the edit screen in WordPress, and you go up here to the upper left hand corner and click on this eye. Boom! There's your word count right there. It even has headings, paragraphs, blocks, oops, sorry about that. And a handy document outline. So if you were in here and you just wanted to jump to a part of your post, you could click on it and it'll jump straight there. Blog post length is really important. Getting your blog post length right can kind of make or break you in Google search rankings. So if you want to find out what your ideal blog post length is and get a free workbook to figure it out, you can head over to this post. This breaks it down for you, and like I said, there's a free resource there that you can print out and use for every blog post. I will link to that in the show notes below. Thanks for watching. Bye!